receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazard. This signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be weather watches and warnings for the following counties: Southeast New Jersey, Clinton, Burlington, East Bay, Cumberland, the coastal waters from Manhattan, New Jersey to Houston, Delaware out 40 nautical miles, and all of Delaware Basin,
Wicomico, and Worcester. And on the marine, the coastal waters from Great Lake to
Atlantic City, New Jersey. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.
This concludes the weekly Chesterfield Weather Radio All Hazards. WXJ94 in Lewis, Delaware. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.